On average, building your first app prototype can take anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks, even if you're a developer. But what if I told you the same process can be done in minutes with Hostinger Horizons? I've tested it out, and now I have a complete Hostinger Horizons tutorial that's going to also answer whether this app builder delivers on its promises. To start building the app, you're going to need a Hostinger Horizons subscription. The quickest way to get it is through the link in the description. Plus, that way you're going to get access to the lowest possible prices. So keep in mind that this pricing includes not only the Horizons app builder, but also hosting, deployment, and the entire infrastructure. Honestly, Hostinger Horizons has a friendly price, especially for an AI app builder. Seriously, sometimes these prices I see for some questionable AI tools online, it's just silly. Horizons pricing actually makes sense though, okay? Plans mainly differ by AI usage limits, so how many credits you get and how many projects you can make. The lower tiers are more than enough to build simple apps or landing pages. It's also great for testing ideas. The higher tiers unlock more iterations and a smoother workflow without hitting limits. Plus, it allows for code editing, while the lower tiers only allow to see it. That said, if you're not sure, just go with the entry plan, Explorer, and explore the possibilities, and then if needed, upgrade anytime. Just don't forget to use my discount from the description so you don't overpay. All right, so you got your plan. Let's build app with AI. By the way, it doesn't have to be limited to just an app. You can create landing pages similar to what you see on Airbnb, or even full websites like those built with WordPress. You can also make interactive web apps comparable to Trello, or simple SaaS tools similar to Notion. Online stores are a possibility as well. Many users find a use for Horizons by building personal tools and dashboards for a wide range of uses, all sorts of calculations and stuff. That said, in this Hostinger Horizons tutorial, I'm going with a web app example to demonstrate more functionality and flexibility. It's going to allow me to showcase user flows, dynamic content, and some more advanced features. So if you're looking to, let's say, build a website with AI or an online store, you can check out the other tutorials on our channel. And if we don't have what you need, leave a comment. Maybe we'll do a video on that next. Anyway, everything starts with a simple prompt. You describe your idea, and this part actually matters more than it might seem. Horizon Hostingers relies on prompts, so be as clear and specific as possible. You should clearly explain what you want your app to do for you, like what problems it solves. Some examples are helping users track their fitness progress or manage daily tasks. You should also mention the core features you need. If you need a login system, forms, user profiles, or payment functionality, just type it in. If you forgot something, not a big deal though, you can add it later. It also helps to describe your user interface preferences, including the layout style, color scheme, and overall look and feel you're aiming for. Okay, right after you submit your prompt, Horizons generates a working web app with a full user interface structure. That includes pages, sections, layouts, and built-in navigation, and whatever functionality you requested, like forms, for example. There's no technical setup required. The code for both front-end and back-end is generated for you, and even basic integrations like payments or core functionality are handled. Instead of spending time setting up servers, frameworks, and databases, you can focus on your idea and improving the app itself. So if you already want to give it a try yourself, don't forget I got the massive Horizons discount in the description. Usually, you want to edit some things in the newly generated app, and you can do that through simple AI instructions. There's no dragging elements, going through settings, or writing code unless you want to. You just describe what you want to change, and Horizons actually does it. You can change everything that way, including modifying the layout, adjusting sections, updating content, or even requesting entirely new functionality. If you want to reshape the structure or expand what the app can do, you simply say so. Let's move that button, for example. Just say where to move it, and it's done. And if that's not exactly right, you just try to be more specific. Also, it understands your previous changes and builds on top of the existing structure. So every new instruction feels like a natural step instead of a complete reset. Let's add a pricing section. Yup, it's that simple. Hostinger Horizons really is the best AI app builder for beginners. That said, let's tell Horizons to make this page more minimal. As you see, each prompt pushes the app forward in real time. One of the best parts is how fast everything updates. Changes happen in seconds, which makes Horizons perfect for testing ideas and features without long development cycles. After you fully create an app with AI, you can preview it directly in the browser. All right, once your app is ready, you can publish it directly to the dashboard. You don't need to connect external tools or anything like that. You just open your project in HPanel and just hit the publish button. That said, I recommend previewing your project before you do that. All right, within seconds, your app is going to be live and accessible through a shareable link. It's published on a .hostingerapp.com domain. That means you can immediately share your project with clients, teammates, or early users and start collecting feedback. By the way, everything is compiled and pushed live automatically. SSL security is enabled by default, meaning your app is served over HTTPS from the start. And if you want a custom domain, you can connect it directly from the dashboard. So yeah, now you know how to make an app with AI. All right, time to wrap up this vibe coding tutorial. If you don't want to wait any longer, give Hosting Your Horizons a try. Just don't forget to grab the biggest discount from the description so you don't pay the full price. All right, thanks for watching. Go build that app. See you guys soon.